average homeowner won't be able to accurately measure for replacing windows. And I've done this since 1989. There are hundreds and hundreds of different window manufacturers. And when you're replacing their windows, they all have different versions of, what type of tear out we have to deal with. So you have to know exactly where to measure. Like even my factory reps, when they come into people's homes, they've done this for years and years and years, and they have really good experience at this, but sometimes even they get it wrong. So I have an installation manager who's got 30-something years experience who comes out and double checks everything that they do. And that's because it's very convoluted. I've done this. I've never installed a window in my life, but I've done this for 35 years, as I've said. And even I, once in a while, will be like, I'm not quite sure where to measure on this. And so I'll have to get my installation manager involved. And so it's not just a simple thing of, hey, it's this, and all that. Sometimes it is, but a lot of times it isn't. So each and every different tear out dictates the style of thing. And that's why you want to make sure that you have a company that's professional at doing this and that they do this day in and day out. I just use whatever people do for a living. I always say to them, imagine if it was your first day. Now imagine it's your 5th year. There's a world of difference between first time and doing this for 5 years. And that's why all my installers are my employees. That's why I have guys that have done this for years and years. I have new guys that are apprentices in training, but for the actual people that are measuring the windows and installing the windows, they've got years and years of experience, and usually with me doing that.